This is tip number 9, and it could be one of my biggest pet peeves in litigation. Number 9, never show a document to a witness without first asking questions about it. Please write that down. I cringe. I recently sat in on a deposition with co-counsel, and he's asking about some documents, and he hands the witness the document. And then the witness very clearly has the answers to what he was going to ask. And I just cringed when he did it. I don't think he thought through it, why he was handing the document. I think he was flustered in the deposition. But I went back and I said, and that was a major error that we made there. We knew we had to get something. I think the client did not know. I mean, they obviously didn't review every single document that was produced in the document production. And I think we had a smoking gun. And it wasn't used appropriately. And it was a swing and a miss. It was a big miss in that case. And I sat my lawyers down, my associates, I brought them in and I said, never again, if you want to use a document, if there's information you want to get from that document, never give it to the witness before asking your questions, right? Let them set themselves up for failure. If they don't remember, great, we'll go through it together. But oftentimes it's things that they can't get out of, right? A policy or a procedure. So many times, if you can just get them to commit to something within that document, it may be different than what's actually contained in the document. Bam, you got them. It's a wham moment. But here, gave them the document, and guess what? The witness knew exactly what we were trying to do, and they answered those questions correctly. So I hesitate. Write it down. Be sure. Do not hand a document to a witness until you ask questions about it, period. I think, and that's how I'm going to practice from now on, it's how I'm going to teach my associates, that is a firm rule with no exceptions. There's no reason for you to ever hand a document to a witness without first asking those questions. Let's try to trip them up. If they don't know common policies and procedures, that's their problem, not mine. If a doctor doesn't know what's contained in a medical record, that's his problem, not mine. So again, never hand a document to a witness without first asking those very important questions.